Try not to worry about it. I know it's hard when you're trying to sleep, not to worry about sleep, but as soon as you worry about sleep, you can't sleep. If you lay in bed and go, oh my God, I hope I sleep, you won't sleep. I know how important sleep is and I do everything I have to do to help me sleep, but what if you're still an insomniac? Be careful saying that you do everything. You're not doing everything, right? So just work on it, right? Do you have a set bedtime that you keep holy? Do you have a nighttime relaxation routine that is holy, that you never allow anyone to interrupt, that helps you relax and prepare for bed? Are you dealing with your stress well? Are you exercising earlier in the day to help yourself asleep at night? Are you eating a diet that's going to promote the best health possible and better sleep? There's always things that you can do. But do the best you can and then try not to worry about it. I know it's hard when you're trying to sleep, not to worry about sleep, but as soon as you worry about sleep, you can't sleep. If you lay in bed and go, oh my God, I hope I sleep, you won't sleep. So when I would have them say, all right, if I sleep, I sleep. If I don't, I don't. Like, you did the best you could, whatever happens, happens. And then work on continuing to improve it. But usually scheduling is really important. Scheduling your routine, scheduling your sleep time, making sure that you don't have screen time for at least a couple hours before bed. There's so many things you can do. And actually letting go of the anxiety around it, saying, yeah, I did what I could, and if I sleep, great, and if I don't, all right, I'll deal with it tomorrow, to allow yourself to drift off as best as possible. There's so many things you can do.